think. No, it's the Cajun. I think it's Cajun.
Should bring these back. Really good.
Definitely Cajun, guys. I started to get the grilled chicken.
Cajun, really good. What I remember.
You guys close up there?
I love wraps.
Nice and
I'm
spicy.
sure you guys know that. Who have been around on the channel for a while. Definitely should bring this back.
No, one more bite.
Or the chicken Caesar one. That one was good.
One more. Oh, I think I lost my chicken.
Or my marbles.